crypto, guys. In this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Dent. We're currently down bad in the crypto bear market, but Dent has been pumping in the last 1 week. So what's up for Dent in 2023? How high can Dent go before the end of the year if the bottom is in? If we keep dumping to Goblin Town, how low will Dent go in 2023? In this video, we'll take a look at the Dent US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame, and we're looking at critical levels where we should pay attention to for Dent in the bear market. We'll also be looking at Dent's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And guys, we'll also look at Dent's market cap. Dent has a market cap of $69 million. We've seen the market cap drop to as low as $58 million in the bear market. Can Dent's market cap rally back up to $100 million? Maybe even to as high as $250 million before 2023. We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're down bad in the bear market, but altcoins have been pumping on a weekly time frame. Are we going to see altcoins pumping to the moon in 2023? Dent has already started the year on a positive note, going up more than 21.4% in the first week of 2023. Even though we're still deep down in the bear market, how high can Dent go in 2023? We've seen Dent dumping to Goblin Town for majority of 2022, since when Dent got to as high as $0.021 in April 2021. We've seen Dent setting lower highs, finally dumping to as low as the $0.00056 level by December 2022. Was that the bear market bottom for Dent, or is Dent repeating what we did in 2019? Now, Dent is going through his second bear market, and in his first bear market, Dent had two phases of the dump. The first phase of the dump, we saw Dent losing 99% of his value, finally finding the bottom around May 2019. But what happened after May 2019? We saw Dent rally up more than 300%, getting to as high as the $0.0027 level. And Dent started the second phase of his dump, dumping to Goblin Town. And before the end of 2019, we saw Dent dump another additional 94%, which meant from the all-time high Dent set in January 2018, Dent was already down more than 99.87% before the end of 2019. It took Dent 692 days to get there, and for the bottom to come in, Dent spent around 796 days dumping to Goblin Town. Now, if history repeats itself, if we are going to see Dent finding the bottom at some point in time in 2023, right now, Dent is currently down bad. We've seen Dent lose more than 97% of his value. So if we catch a rally to the upside, important levels you want to pay attention to, we might see some heavy resistance coming in for Dent around the $0.0013 level. And if we're lucky, we might even see Dent pumping to as high as the $0.0027 region. Guys, I'll not be shocked to see Dent get heavily rejected at the $0.0037 region. The last time we saw Dent trading that high was in March 2022. And for where Dent is currently trading right now, for us to rally that high, Dent will have to go up around 439%. Let's not rule out the possibility that maybe, just maybe, the bottom is not in for Dent right now. Dent is struggling to hold the $0.0007 level. If Dent doesn't hold this level, we might see Dent dropping lower in the bear market, maybe finding the bottom around the $0.00025 level. And for where Dent is currently trading right now, that will see Dent dump an additional 62%. So how will Dent do it in 2023? Are we going to first pump to the upside before we start dumping to Goblin Town, or are we going to continue dumping to Goblin Town, gather ourselves, and pump to the upside? The bear market occurs in phases. After the bull market, you have to enjoy the bear market. We have to go through another reaccumulation for us to get another bull market. The market works in 4 phases. We have the markup period where everything is pumping to the moon. We saw it happen with Dent in the former bull run. Everything was pumping to the moon. Then we have the distribution period where big players are selling their bags and all of them are selling for profit. Then we have the markdown period where everything is going to Goblin Town. And the last phase is the reaccumulation period. After the reaccumulation period, we are ready for another bull run, and that's exactly what we saw Dent do in 2021 when Dent was pumping to the moon. And after it pumps again, Just like we did in 2018, we'll go through another period of distribution. After distribution is done, then we'll go through the markdown phase. So the $1 million question is, where will Dent stop the markdown phase for us to begin the reaccumulation phase? Now, in the previous bear market, Dent reaccumulation happened from November 2019 to when the accumulation was done in November 2020. So we spent 1 year going sideways. Are we going to start spending the whole of 2023 going sideways, or are we going to dump to Goblin Town before we start going sideways? Important things to look out for in the bear market is Dent's performance against Bitcoin. Dent pumped really well against Bitcoin. So in 2023, we might see Dent dumping to Goblin Town against Bitcoin. Dent is still way up in the moon. In the bear market, we see Dent dumping against Bitcoin. But when the bull market comes around, we see that spike to the upside. We see people flipping their Bitcoin for some Dent, which leads to Dent gaining so much value against Bitcoin. If you take a look at what Dent did in the previous bear market, after the bear market ended, we saw Dent dumping to Goblin Town. And when we entered 2019, the ending phase of the bear market, it was a very brutal time for Dent. Dent almost went to zero against Bitcoin from August 2019 till March 2021. Dent was deep in Goblin Town, but when the bull run come around, we saw a sharp increase in the price of Dent, which led it to outperform Bitcoin by more than 1,400%. So in 2023, I'll be expecting Dent to pump to the upside, maybe nothing crazy, maybe no new all-time highs, but ultimately 2023 will be the year of reaccumulation, getting ready for the next bull run. Now, if you take a look at what Dent has done in the last 1 year, Dent has gone from as high as $0.0041 to as low as $0.00057. Dent has a market cap of $69 million and a fully diluted market cap of $70 million. And Dent is currently ranked 253 on CoinMarketCap, with over 209,000 people having Dent on their watch list. And if you want to buy some Dent in 2023, if you believe Dent is going to pump to higher prices in the future, and you want to be among those smart investors that are accumulating right now deep in the bear market, you can get some Dent on Binance, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Uniswap, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. We may also see Dent losing some value against Ethereum in 2023. We saw it pumping to the moon against Ethereum in 2021. In just 69 days, Dent outperformed Ethereum by more than 4,700%. The opposite of what happens in the bull market, what happens in the bear market, and what we've been seeing Dent dump to Goblin Town. 2023, we might get some pumps to the upside for Dent, but ultimately, we might still see it setting new lows. If you take a look at Dent's market cap, we've bounced off this important level we talked about in the previous video, the $57 million region. Maybe, just maybe, Dent is going back to attack that $100 million region. If we get rejected there on Dent's market cap, we might see the market cap even fall to as low as $31 million before the end of 2023. And that's very, very possible. For Dent to drop that low, we'll see it drop an additional 52% from where we're currently trading. Another important thing to pay attention to is that we have almost all the total supply of Dents in circulation, which was not the case in the previous bear market, where we saw the market cap of Dent shooting up to the moon, going up more than 1,200% from December 2018 to June 2019. But what happened to the price in that time frame? We didn't see the price shooting to the moon. We only saw the price go up 200%, while the market cap went up more than 1,200%. But I don't think that will be the situation right now in this bear market. We already have most of the Dents in circulation. So in 2023, the highest I see Dents going before the end of the year might be if Dents can go to that $250 million region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying some Dent right now in the bear market? What are your plans for Dent in 2023? Right now, Dent is up more than 20% in the last 1 week. Do you think we'll continue rallying up in 2023? Or do you think this is just a pump before the final dump to the downside? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.